Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will tell you a very important function about Excel. Normally it is very beneficial for the accountants and professionals. It's if and trim function. We have already learned about the if function, but I will tell you about the trim function. What is the difference between the trim and the if function? It's a very important function of Excel. You can easily use that. I will tell you how. Here is a database. It's a small database, you have seen that, but the names are there are different customer names here: Dream Private Limited, Private, and the drug services Gucci and Mac and J&J, and the different sales in UAE. It's showing different sales here. Now I'll tell you. The thing is which we have to see here. The Dreams network in this database. The Dream network is aligned here. It's at a proper place, but you have seen that the dream private is not at the proper place. It's displaced from its actual place, which must be here. Like if I align it at here, left align, then you will see that it will come. This is a proper place. But if in a big database different names are not aligned at their place, how can we get the data? But if we use the if function here, then we can't get the actual results. But if we will use a trim function, we will get the actual result, rather they are at the proper place or not. Here I will tell you how. First of all, I will use the if function. I'll start with is equal to if bracket starts here, then I'll select the pair. If it's equal to, I will use the function. If it's equal to dream pvt, then 15,000, otherwise 0. Bracket close. It will show it's 15,000. If I'll copy here, it will show all the results are 0, whereas the dream private is here also, but it's not showing here. It's not showing here. The result is 0, whereas the result is 15,000. If I'll use the trim function, rather using the if function, it will show the result different from the if function. I'll tell you how. I'll use the trim function like that. If starts here, then I will use the trim. Then I will select the cell by using the brackets and the bracket close. Then if it's equal to dream pvt, then 15,000, otherwise 0, bracket close. You entered many arguments here. I think the elements are not here. So again, if run bracket close, then is equal to dream pvt, then 15,000, otherwise 0, and then bracket close. Now I'll copy here. Now it's showing here that the dream private is displaced from its actual place, but it's showing the result actually 15,000, which is actually 15,000. I can use this data, use this function for the other customer names here, like Gucci here at place 3, Gucci here is at it's not its place, it's at 4 number is not at this place, and it's at this place. Now let's change it at 15,000 or 10,000. Now again use for the Gucci. I'll use the if function here. If this is equal to Gucci, then 10,000 otherwise 0. Let's enter and copy here. Now it's showing that the names which are at their places, actual places, it's showing 10,000, but here the Gucci name is not at this place, that's why it's showing result 0. Now I'll use the trim function here to rectify this issue. Is equal to Gucci, then 10,000 otherwise 0. Now how it will show the result? I've seen that the customer name which is at not proper place, it's also showing 10,000 result. This is the difference between the trim and the function. You can use it for the big databases also here. It's a very beneficial, it's very powerful tool, and everybody can use it, and hope you like that. Thanks.